Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our part 1, lab 1, block 1 getting started with the EOSIS blockchain. इस lab का मैं solution provide करूंगा. Before starting solution, I want to simply inform you that I already uploaded the solution of the first lab. Start here, don't skip this. And one more update, there are still some spots remaining. So if in any case you didn't enroll in this game till now, you can enroll. Then a video will be in the description box like how you can enroll in this game. तो आपको उस रिलेटेड वीडियो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी कैसे इस गेम में एनरोल करना है अगर आपको पता नहीं है तो ओके तो मेक श्योर यू चेक द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स सो नाउ विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम स्टार्ट दिस लैब ओके so just wait for the page to get loaded. As you can see, there are total 7 tasks that we need to perform, so it will be a little bit lengthier. Simply click on start lab button. It will provide us the credentials which is required to log in into our Google Cloud Console, so that credentials are necessary. So wait for the credentials. Now simply right click on open Google Console and open it in private window or in incognito mode. It is important to open it in incognito mode, otherwise you will face certain issues. The email ID will be automatically pasted up. Email ID अपने आप pasted होके आएगी, आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. Simply click on next button. It will ask you for the password. So password is given to us. Copy the password. This is the password. ये password copy करना है आपको. Come back to here, paste it, click on next button. Now a welcome message will arise. So click on I understand button. Now we get logged into our Google Cloud Console. So if you watches my previous videos, you must be familiar with these steps. ये हम सारे steps पहले भी करते आए हैं, तो ये same है. हमें ऐसे ही लॉगिन करना होता है अपने Google Cloud Console में. A pop-up will arise of terms and conditions. Simply इसको accept करेंगे, agree and continue पे click करेंगे. Now the first task is we need to create a VM instance. So go to the compute engine, hover upon compute engine, and then click on VM instances. We need to create new VM instance, and the details are given to us in the lab. So come back to the lab and scroll down, keep scrolling till the task 1. This is the name which we use to create our VM instance. So copy it very carefully without any extra spacing or full stop. हमें ना full stop copy करना है ना कोई extra spacing. Now come back to here, click on create instance button. हम अपने Google Cloud Console पे हैं, हम यहाँ पर VM instance बना रहे हैं, तो एक create करेंगे नया VM instance. Wait for the page to load. Remove this name and paste the name that we copied. Be careful, यहाँ पर कोई extra spacing या full stop नहीं होना चाहिए, नहीं तो आपको problem होगी, ठीक है. Now scroll down. In the series, select N1. Scroll down and select N1. The machine type will be N1 standard to this one. Select it. Now scroll down. We need to change the boot disk. So click on change button and under the boot disk. From operating system, select Ubuntu. Scroll down and select Ubuntu. And the version will be our. Let me show you. The version will be this one. Okay, 18.04 LTS. Okay. Now click on select button. Now scroll down and click on create button, and we are done with this. Once our VM instance get completed, we will be done with the task 1. So wait for a green tick here. जब यहाँ पर status में आपको loading cursor दिख रहा है, जब यहाँ पर green tick आ जाएगा तब वीडियो को आगे कंटिन्यू करेंगे, तब तक हम वेट करेंगे. ओके. Now as you can see, I get a green tick under the status. If you didn't see this green tick too long, then simply click on refresh button. अगर देर तक आपका ये cursor load होता रहे, simply refresh पे click करिएगा, आपको green tick मिल जाएगा. Now once you get the green tick, come back to the lab. Scroll down and click on check my progress, and you will get a green tick here in the check my progress. Our assessment is completed. Now scroll down to the task 2. Simply copy this task command. Come back to here. Now click on this SSH button. Click on this. A new terminal will be open. Here we need to paste or run the commands. So wait for this terminal to get connected. It will take a little longer. So wait for it. Now as you can see, we are connected with our SSH terminal. So let me show you once again. We need to copy the first command of the task 2. Copy it very carefully. Come back to here. Paste it here. Paste the command in the shell and hit enter button. And wait for the code to be run. Now come back to the lab page. Scroll down. Copy the second code. Come back to the terminal, paste it here, hit enter button, and wait for the command to run. It will show a little bit latency. आपको थोड़ी सी latency या delay देखने को मिलेगा terminal में, so don't worry. Just have some patience and paste the code. Okay. Now once this code get completed, come back to here, scroll down, copy this, come back to here, paste the code, hit enter button, and you will see a node version, which is version 2.0.9. So now come back to the lab. Simply skip these. We don't need to confirm this. Simply click on check my progress, and you will get a green tick here because we installed the EOSIS platform. Wait for the green tick. Now as you can see, I get a green tick. It means our assessment is completed. अगर आपको first trial में green tick ना मिले, if you don't get the green tick and it throws any error, अगर कुछ आपको error आए, तो simply try 2 to 3 time on clicking check my progress in the gap of 1 minute. 1 से 2 मिनट की gap के बीच में check my progress पे click करिएगा, आपको green tick मिल जाएगा. Now jump back to the task 3, copy the first code, come back to here, paste it, hit enter button, and wait for this command to get run. Now copy the next command, come back to here, paste it, and hit enter. Now this command will keep running. So to stop this command, we simply need to press Control plus C on the keyboard. ये command चलता रहेगा, तो इसे stop करने के लिए आपको Control plus C दबाना है keyboard पे. Once again Control plus C, and it will get cancelled automatically. Okay, you can see it will automatically get cancelled or stop. Let me show you. I press Control and C, it will automatically get stopped. So now come back to here, scroll down and click on check my progress, and you will get a green tick here also in the task 3. आपको task 3 में भी green tick मिल जाएगा. Okay, so wait for this to get a green tick. Now you can see I got a green tick. Our assessment is completed. Now go to the task 4, copy the first code of the task 4, come back to here, paste it and hit enter button. Wait for this command to run. Once you are done with this command, come back to here, scroll down, copy the next command, come back here, paste it and hit enter button, and wait for this to run. Now you will see a special key, this one. We need to copy it. So copy it very carefully. Copy करने के लिए आपको सिर्फ इसे select करना है, ये अपने आप copy हो जाएगा. Select it and you will see a copy button here. So now we need to paste it somewhere. So I will open a new tab and paste it here. Our key is now pasted in the new tab. So now come back to the lab, scroll down, copy the next code. हमने क्या किया, सिंपली हमें जो टर्मिनल में ये की मिली है, लेट मी शो यू दिस की, हमने इस की को कॉपी किया, एक जगह पेस्ट कर लिया. तो मैंने न्यू टैब में पेस्ट करके रखा, आप कहीं भी पेस्ट करके रख सकते हैं. हमें क्या करना है, नया कोड रन कराना है. देन दैट वुड बी द this one code. Let me show you this one, the third code. Copy it, come back to the terminal, paste it in the terminal and hit a enter button. Wait for this code to get run. Now click on check my progress and you will get a green tick in the task 4 also, because we successfully created our wallet. So wait for the green tick. As you can see, we get the green tick, our assessment is completed. Now scroll down to the task 5, copy this first command of the task 5, come back to the terminal, paste it here and hit enter button and wait for this command to get run. Now scroll down, copy this third command, come back to here, paste it here and don't press enter. आपको enter अभी press नहीं करना है, because we need to remove this your password. हमें ये जो लिखा है ना your password, ये remove करना है. इसको हम remove कर देते हैं एक एक करके. Make sure you remove it very carefully. Remove it. And password के बाद एक spacing होनी चाहिए. There must be a spacing after the password. Okay. Now come back to the wherever you paste this key. Select this whole key. आपको ये पूरी की copy करनी है. Copy this key. Come back to the terminal again. Now paste it here. आपको पासवर्ड के बाद इसको पेस्ट करना है, दिस की को पेस्ट की आफ्टर द पासवर्ड एंड नाउ हिट द एंटर बटन. ये पार्ट आपको बहुत केयरफुली करना है. एंड वंस यू डन विद दैट, यू विल सी अ मैसेज लाइक अनलॉक्ड माय वॉलेट. अगर ये मैसेज नहीं आ रहा है, मतलब आप कोड में कोई एरर कर रहे हैं. तो मेक श्योर यू run this command very carefully. Now once you're done with that, simply come back to the lab, scroll down, copy the next command, come back to here, paste it and hit enter button. Wait for this command to get run. Now come back to the lab, scroll down, copy it, click on the check my progress button and you will get a green tick in the task 5th also. So wait for this, you will get a green tick here. As you can see, we get a green tick, our assessment is completed. Now scroll down to the task 6, copy the first command, come back to the terminal, and paste the code here, hit enter button. Okay, wait for this code to get run. Now copy the second command, come back to the terminal, paste it and hit enter button and wait for this command also to get run. Now once you're done with that, wait for this command. It's still happening, it's loading some task or the files. So while it's loading, come back to the main page, scroll down, copy this third command, copy it, come back to here, wait for this command to get run successfully. Now paste the next code that we copied and hit enter button. Now what we need to do, simply come back, click on check my progress and you will get a green tick in the task 6 also. Okay, so wait for this, you will get a green tick eventually. As you can see, our assessment is completed and we are done with the task 6 also. Now come back to the task 7, copy this code, come back to the terminal, paste the code and hit enter button and wait for this command to get run. थोड़ा सा latency आप देख सकते हैं, shell हमें provide कर रहा है, तो be patient. Now scroll down, copy the next code, come back to here, paste it here and hit enter button and wait for this command to get run. Now copy the next command. This will be this one. Let me check. Be very careful which command you are actually pasting. Okay, paste the next command and hit enter button. Wait for this command to get run. Now scroll down, copy this command, come back to here, paste it here and hit enter button. Wait for this command to get run. Now scroll down, copy the 5th command, come back to here, paste it here and hit enter button. This command is also get run. Now scroll down, copy the 6th command and be careful now. अब आपको थोड़ा सा attention pay करना होगा. Come back to the terminal, paste the command and once again don't press the enter button. आपको एक बार paste करना है command. Terminal get stuck, 1 minute. आई कैन सी आई पेस्टेड द कमांड. अब आपको एंटर नहीं दबाना है. सबसे पहले हमें योर प्राइवेट की ये पूरा रिमूव करना होगा. सो रिमूव इट very carefully. Your private key, we need to remove it. Remove it one by one. It will show some latency, so remove it very carefully. And make sure private key के बाद यहाँ पर एक space हो. Okay. Now we need to copy the private key. This one. Select it and it will automatically get copied. आपको सिर्फ select करना है, ये अपने आप copy हो जाएगी. Now paste it here and hit enter button. Make sure you copy the private key. Okay. Don't copy the public key now. Now scroll down, come back, copy it. We need the public ID this time. Come back to here, paste the command and don't press enter button. आपको enter button नहीं दबाना है. Remove this your public key. This time we need to paste our public key. So remove it very carefully. Make sure Bob के बाद यहाँ पर एक spacing हो. Now copy the public key. Copy it carefully and paste it here. And now press hit enter button. Okay. Wait for this command to get run. Now once it's get run, just skip the warning, ignore the warning. Come back to here, scroll down, click on check my progress, and you will get a green tick in the task 7 also. Once you get the green tick, we are done with this lab. Congratulations. So wait for the green tick. I just accidentally stopped the recording, but I completed the task 7. So I have to take the video from here. So I click on the check my progress. I don't get the green tick here because मैंने end lab करके फिर से start किया. लेकिन आप जब check my progress पे click करेंगे आपको green tick मिल जाएगा. Now you are done with the lab. Congratulations, you are done with this lab. Simply click on the end lab button. Click on submit button. Give the star rating that you want to give. Wait for this panel. Click on the back button. Come back to the main page. Wait for the page to get loaded. Simply scroll down and you will see a green tick beside our lab. It means we are successfully completed our lab. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button so you get the instant notification of the upcoming solution videos. And if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or in the Telegram group. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.